The results are officially in. Here are the latest updates for Dancehall Reggae chart. Number 1, Fall Into Place by Revolution. Number 2, King of the Dancehall by Vybz Kartel. Number 3, Ziggy Marley by Ziggy Marley. Number 4, Set in Stone by Stick Figure. Number 5, We Remember Dennis Brown, various artists. Number 6, Freedom and Fire, Alba Rosie. Number 7, Hot Enough, Iration. Number 8, Water for Your Soul, Just Stone. Number 9, New Level Unlocked by Alkaline. Number 10, Native Lane, Clear Conscience. Yes, Vybz Kartel's album King of the Dancehall debut at number 2 on this week's Billboard Reggae chart with first week sales of 1,867 copies sold, according to music industry's official sales tracker Nielsen's Music. King of the Dancehall has the biggest first week sales for a dancehall artist since Beenie Man's album Undisputed in 2006. You heard me right, the biggest first week sales for a dancehall artist in 10 years, that's 1 decade. This is Vybz Kartel's 6th title album to chart the Billboard. His previous albums were Viking, Vybz is King, which reached number 3 in 2015, Kingston Story that peaked at number 7 in 2011, Reggae Love Song and Others, which also peaked at number 7 in 2014. Vybz Kartel's Roots and Culture, The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, which peaked at number 6 in 2013, and Vybz Kartel Forever Trilogy, that peaked at number 11 in 2013. To put things into perspective for those of us who were expecting Vybz Kartel's album to debut at number 1, let's just say he released his album when the competition was very stiff. The album that debuted at number 1, Fall Into Place by California band Revolution. They are one of the more popular reggae bands out there. Falling Into Place sold an additional 2,238 albums this week, taking their 2 weeks total to 15,128. This band is unknown to most dancehall fans, but they are touring extensively in the US and worldwide and have a huge fan base. The album that sits in the 3rd spot, Ziggy Marley's self-titled album, has been on the charts for 2 weeks and sold an additional 616 copies this week, bringing the album figure to 8,028. This is the son of legendary Bob Marley. This is a big name artist in the lineage of reggae royalty. Other notable dancehall artists on the chart at number 9, Alkaline's New Level Unlocked that sold 70 copies, bringing this total album sale to 2,019 copies. Like they say, people spread rumor, hype up things and lie, but the numbers never lie. What else can I really say? Vybz Kartel's King of the Dancehall has the biggest first week sale for a dancehall artist in the past 10 years. While most of his fans hope that it would debut at number 1, this is a commendable number 2. The numbers are pretty decent for what is going on in the dancehall landscape. Hopefully after a few weeks or so we can get a better insight of its success. Overall, King of the Dancehall was a very good album. The fans actually supported it somewhat. Even though I was expecting greater sales, I have come to the conclusion that fans are willing to go on social media, especially YouTube, and rail up for their artists. They are ready with those keyboard trigger fingers to cuss out anybody who dare say anything about their artists. But when it comes time to buy, they are stingy. I guess that's just the way of the world. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.